Okay, in this quick video we're going to learn how to create our scripts for the SMTC online. First of all, I have opened up the back end of the web page, the website, and we're going to work on Christian Foundations 1. So I open it up, and here you notice you have the actual course itself, and then here we have all the lessons that we have in the actual course. So let's go to the first one. I'm going to edit content, and it's the Bible Origins Part 1. Remember, this Part 1 and Part 2 because they're two 45-minute classes, one video each class. Scroll down, and here's where we get the content settings. This is a script that is going to determine the video that it shows. Now we have to change this because the other ones were too big and it didn't buffer, and remember we changed those and uploaded them, so we have to do this again. So we're going to have to erase this in a minute. What we're going to do is we're going to find out what the names of our videos are, and I'm going to drag this over here. And here's the origin of the Bible is capital CF1-1_1. The second class, origins of the Bible, CF1-2_1, and they all go in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to 22. The reason there's 22 is there's no 21, so it goes from 20 to 22. And this is the video name .mp4, and we're going to see that in a bit. So let's move that out of the way. Okay, so now I have this website, this service called VU Player, where we do these scripts. And here are all my group names, are all the categories, partners, foundations, gifts of the Spirit, driven by eternity. And that's a category, and there's 17 videos in Driven by Eternity, for example. There they are. And here are each video, MP4. It's all there. And here with this I can get my code, I can delete it, I can do my insights, which are my thing, how many people have watched it, for example. And here we're going to change our settings. So I'm going to click on that just so that the main screen comes up. And this comes up here. And this is the splash page. As soon as the video comes up, this is what they're going to see. We can delete it, clone it, save it, insights, again, view analytics, and we can publish. If we hit publish, this is the script that I'm going to need to copy to watch that video. But we're going to change it because we have to change the videos. This gives me a view. For example, if I click on that, I can see the video.
The countdown.
So now we are going to go back to the dashboard. So I'm going to create this for you so you don't have to worry about it. And here's the group names. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a new group and then do the video. So new video, and here we have the video page where we do it all, and this comes up. So what's the name of the player name, or what's the title of my class? The first one is Origins of the Bible Part 1. And here's my category. I'm going to create a new category, create group, and here it is. The name of the group is Christian Foundations 1. Click to confirm. I got my group. This is where I'm going to put the link to the video. So just get this offline here for a second. I'm going to paste it in here. And 2 Core 316, here it is where I'm going to find my video. I'm going to go to the very end. And remember, Origins of the Bible, the first video name was CF1-1_1. So it's capital CF1-1_1.mp4. Where did I get that? Right from over here. There it is, right there. The next class is just going to be 2, then 3, then 4, and it's going to go all the way to 22. Okay, so I got that. Now I need the splash page at the beginning. What's my graphic? What's it going to look like? It's going to be the same for all of them, so I'm going to just cut and paste it. And paste, there it is. 768 by 432. Click on that, and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to update. And there it is. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. Just to check that it works. There it is. It's working. Pause that. Okay, so save it. Now I'm going to publish this so that I can get this. I'm going to click once and it highlights that blue. And I'm going to Command C for copy. And now what I'm going to do, I have this little text box here. I'm going to hit, I can name this, what is it, class 1, for example. Command V, there's the script. Couple spaces. Class 2, I'll move that out of the way. I got that, I can close that. I've saved it already. Now, instead of going through all that process again, I'm just going to duplicate or clone the video. I'll show you why. I'm going to clone it. There, it says clone, you see that? But now I'm going to go into basic settings right here. Once it stops spinning, basic settings. Scroll down, edit basic settings. Now this is the last video. All I got to do is, because I cloned the video, I just got to change the name of the video and the name of the title. Okay, because it's still under Christian Foundations. That's my category. So this is Origins of the Bible Part, and that's Part 2. Part 2. Now remember, the video is CF1-2_1. So I'm going to go here, click on that, and I'm going to go move it over with the arrow key, and all I got to do is change 2. There it is. That stays the same. That stays the same. This splash screen stays the same, and I'm going to update. There it is, Origins of the Bible Part 2. I'm going to save that. When that's done, I'm going to publish, and I'm going to get my script. Click that once, it highlights blue. Command C. Then I'm going to go to my text box. Command V. There's class 2. Couple spaces. Class 3. Move that aside. X that. Now I'm going to do video number 3. I'm going to clone the video. Again, same thing. Instead of having to enter all the information all over again. There it is. Origins of the Bible Part 2. This is the clone. I got to update that for video number 3. Basic settings. Edit basic settings. Okay, so class number 3. Infallibility of the Bible, CF1-3_1. So I'm going to go here, get rid of that, and it's infallibility of the Bible. Christian Foundations doesn't change. That just tells you that there's 2 videos there right now. I'm going to click over here, and with the arrow key I'm going to scroll over to the right, and this is video number 3. So the only thing that changes ever is this number 3. There, CF1-3_1. Infallibility of the Bible, excuse me, Part 1. That's the same. I'm going to update. There it is. I'm going to save it. I'm going to publish it. Click. Copy. Go back to my little class here. Boom. Class 4 is the next one. Move it to one side. And done. Do it one more time. I'm going to do video number 4. So I'm going to clone it. This is now basic settings. Computer's a little slow. Edit settings, there it is. And this is part 2. I'm going to give you the list of all the video names and the classes, so you don't have to worry about memorizing this. Part 2, this is video 4, right? Click over here. Right arrow. Change that to 4. There it is. Everything stays the same. Update. Oh, clone the video. I cloned it a little. Oh, sorry, don't do that. Stay on page. We're going to save the video first. Then I'm going to publish. Click here, highlight blue, Command C, bring back my little text box, and see right now what I am doing is I'm just collecting all of these scripts. So what I'm going to do now, let's say for example script number 1, I would copy script number 1 from script to there, Command C, copy. Then I would go to my lesson 1, right? Lesson 1, and here I would highlight this, delete that, and now paste that new one that I just happened to create. Again, here make sure that this remains 50, and that's it. We're done. Text color I believe is still white. Yes, it is. And then we update, and there's lesson 1. Best thing to do though is to get all of these up to class 22, then go to each one and just update the script. And that's it. It is that easy.